With Fergus's new Zapier integration, you can now connect with over 8,000 apps, like Google Sheets, HubSpot, MailChimp, Slack, and Typeform, without writing a single line of code. Zapier is a user-friendly automation platform that uses a simple drag-and-drop interface to link your favorite tools. In Zapier, automations are called zaps. Each zap starts with a trigger, an event that starts the workflow, and follows with one or more actions, tasks performed automatically. Fergus can be used as either the trigger or the action, giving you the flexibility to automate tasks in both directions. Note, Fergus makes it easy to connect with Zapier, but we don't build custom zaps for customers. For help building zaps, consider reaching out to a Zapier expert or your IT provider. First, you'll need to get started with Zapier. Head to zapier.com and sign in or create an account. Once signed in, you can connect all your apps to Zapier, including Fergus. These connections enable Zapier to access and modify data in your apps securely. You can connect via the Fergus Connections page or Zap Editor. To connect via the Fergus Connections page, you'll need to head to the Fergus Connections page first. Click Connect Fergus to 8,000 plus apps, and you'll be taken to the Zapier Workflow Editor. Add a trigger event and sign into your Fergus account. Already connected? Click Change to select from already connected accounts or connect a new account. Once connected, you're ready to create zaps. To connect via the Zapier editor, head to the Zapier homepage. Select Zap from the Start from Scratch section. A Zap workflow will open. Select Trigger or Action and choose Fergus. Add a trigger event and sign into your Fergus account. Follow the same steps here that we mentioned in the Fergus Connections page option. Once done, you'll now be able to start creating zaps using Fergus. Now, let's talk about triggers and actions. When Fergus acts as a trigger, it starts your automation by detecting when something happens in your Fergus account. For example, you could set up a zap that triggers when a new job is created, a customer is added, or a new site is created. This trigger then kicks off actions in other apps like sending notifications to Slack, creating tasks in project management tools, or updating spreadsheets. When Fergus serves as an action, it receives data from other apps to perform tasks within your Fergus account. For instance, when a new lead comes through your website contact form or CRM, Zapier can automatically create a new customer record in Fergus, generate a job, or update existing information without manual data entry. And that's all there is to it. This dual functionality means Fergus can initiate workflows and be the destination for data from your other business tools, creating seamless automation that saves time and reduces manual work between your field service management and other business systems.